So let's work now with the speed of our breathing, not to force relaxation to happen, but to gently influence the rhythm that the nervous system is organized around. And maybe relaxation occurs as a result of that. So find a position that allows you to feel easy, to feel free of rigidity, but to maintain awareness. You can sit or you can lie down. If you're sitting, allow your spine to lengthen gently. Remember, we're not sitting like soldiers, so just easy, upright, and supported. You can close your eyes if you like. Allow your facial muscles to relax. You can look in any way you want. Let the mouth gently seal. Now bring your attention to the breath and the nostrils. Noticing the air as it comes in, slightly cool. The air as it leaves, slightly warmer. Cool air as you breathe in, and warm air as you breathe out. Allow the breath to move naturally, letting the body breathe by itself. Just simply observing the pace of your breathing now. And we'll begin to slow the breath now, so exhaling, and then we'll breathe in through the nose for a count of 3, 2, 1. Breathing out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, in, 2, 1. Again, out, 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep the breath light. There's no need to make it bigger. Just continue on. Breathing in for 3 and out for 4. Very easy, very gentle, enjoyable. As you continue, allow the shoulders to remain relaxed. Allow the temples to soften, jaw to soften. Just a very subtle inner smile can help. If you feel the counting distracting, you can let go of the numbers and simply keep the feeling of a slightly slower inhale and a slightly longer exhale. If the breath feels easy and settled, you may allow the exhale to lengthen a little more. Breathing in, 3, 2, 1. Out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If that feels comfortable and enjoyable at that rhythm, stay with that. If you notice more effort or tension, return to an easier rhythm. Less extension. Nice and easy. Just continue with a pace that feels sustainable. In for 3 and out for 4 or 5, whatever feels right for you. As your pace settles, just continue on. Signals of stress in the nervous system will reduce. Breathing efficiency improves. Just stay with your rhythm for a little longer. Allowing your awareness to be absorbed by your breath. Enjoy the breathing as if you were savoring a good meal or a beautiful view or the touch of someone you love. Okay, allow the breath to return to its natural state. Observe how your body feels, the tone of your nervous system. This is how we train a slower baseline breathing, through calm repetition and enjoyable practice, so that the body wants to return to it. And over time, the system begins to carry this rhythm more and more into the rest of your day.